color is the dog driving the red car? What color is the dog driving the red car? What color is the dog driving the red car? Where's right? This is the dog driving the red car. What color is he? He's blue. 赤い車を運転している犬の何色ですか? That was hard, wasn't it? How many green dogs are there? How many green dogs are there? One. Ooh. How many blue dogs are there? Two. How many yellow dogs are there? Three. Good. How many red dogs are there? Two. How many big red dogs are there? One. Big red dogs. Only one big red dog and one little red dog. How many big blue dogs are there? One. How many little blue dogs are there? How many little blue dogs are there? One. How many little dogs? One. How many big yellow dogs are there? Big yellow dogs. Two. How many little yellow dogs are there? One. Yo, you can do this. You were doing good before. Okay. How many big red dogs are there? Two. How many little blue dogs are there? One. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. Huh? What color are the dogs going up? Red. What color is the dog going down? Blue. What color are the big dogs? What color are the big dogs? Right. What color is the little dog? Blue. Good. How many little dogs are there? One. How many big dogs are there? Red. Good. What is this? What's this called?
Jet coaster.
Yeah, jet coaster or roller coaster. Yeah, good. Nice. Can you read it? The green dog. Read it. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. Good. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. Good. Yeah. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. Yeah. What color is this dog? What color is this little dog? Red. What color is the big dog? Blue. What color is the house? What color is the house? Yeah, it's yellow and red and pink. Yeah, good. eat peaches? Yeah, you can eat peaches. Yeah, they're like apples and oranges and pears and peaches. You've probably never seen a peach. Yeah. What color is the dog that's up? Green, good. What color is the dog that's down? Good. What color is the dog that's outside the house? That's outside the house. No. What color is the dog, the little dog outside the house? Red. Yeah, outside the house. What color is the big dog out? Yeah. What color is the big dog in the house? In the house. What color is the dog in the house? Good. Is he big or little? Is he big or little? This dog in the house, is he big or little? Big or little? He's big. Good. How about the red dog? Is he big or little? Little. Ayo. Is this guy big or little? Is he big or little? Is he big or little? He's little. Hey, he's little. He's little. 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 Yeah. How about this guy? Is he big or little? What's this? What's this? Hey, what's this? Huh? It's a mouse. See? Same as this.
It's fine.
Right? Can't have it.
Lots of people doesn't have this mouth.
You have the mouse here, yeah?
Oh,
Okay? So, point to the red dog. Yeah, but it's not like a ball. You have to hold it. Right? If you just go like this, and you go. Okay? So it's like a stick. You go. Push it up. There you go. Push it down. It goes left. Ooh. Okay, where's the red dog? Where's the red dog? Where's the yellow dog? Good, that's the yellow dog. Where's the green dog? We're having mouse wars. Good. What color is the green dog's hat? Good. What color is the yellow dog's hat? What color is the red dog's hat? Yeah, he doesn't have a hat. How about the blue dog? What color is his hat? He doesn't have a hat. Good. Just say no. No. He doesn't